Hello YouTube, today is February the 4th, 2016, a Thursday. I'm doing an unboxing, as you can see right there. It's I placed this order on January the 8th, 2016. It is a mini USB female network internet adapter. Basically, it is so you can hook up your phone. You can hook this up to your phone or your tablet, and then you hook up your internet cable, this right here, to it, and you should have your internet on your phone more faster. I paid $3 for this. Well, actually, I didn't. As you know, all my Amazon money I get for free because of the gift cards I get from the apps. But anyway, it cost $3. It was free shipping. It came from I don't know where it came from, but the estimated delivery date was between the 3rd and the 19th of this month. But it came today on the 4th, so woohoo. But let's see. Let's do an unboxing. I have to be honest, I already opened it and looked through it because I was so excited. This is how it looks. Right there. It's just a paper telling you some stuff. And this is the device itself. We're going to try it on my phone to see if it works. Just a moment. I'm going to pause you guys for a second while I plug it up. Okay, I'm back. I plugged it up. Now I'm finna plug the internet cable to it. Okay, it's blinking. Well, it was blinking. Can't really tell. Hold on just a moment. Well, I can't tell if it's on or not. But I'll let y'all know if it works or not. Okay, until next time, peace, love, and be good.